In the dynamic cityscape of Dallas, Texas, every construction and renovation project is a story of transformation. And the key to a successful transformation? Efficient waste management with American AF Dumpster Rentals, your trusted partner for trash dumpster rental in Dallas, Texas. American AF Dumpster Rentals believes in making waste management easy, affordable, and environmentally responsible for everyone in Dallas. Our range of dumpsters is designed to meet any challenge. We have everything from compact 10-yard dumpsters for small home cleanouts to massive 30-yard ones for extensive construction projects. From residential cleanups to large-scale industrial waste, our customizable solutions are designed to cater to your specific needs, ensuring a hassle-free rental experience. We're dedicated to sustainability. Our eco-conscious approach ensures that your waste is disposed of, responsibly managed, and recycled whenever possible. Hear from our satisfied clients, who vouch for our reliability and commitment. At American AF Dumpster Rentals, we don't just serve, we're an active part of the Dallas community. Experience unparalleled service with our dedicated team. Available at 214-225-5865. They're always ready to assist you in selecting the ideal dumpster for your unique project. Or, enjoy the convenience of online booking. Visit our website at www.americanafdumpsters.com to explore our services, check availability, and schedule your dumpster rental effortlessly. Choose American AF Dumpster Rentals for your trash dumpster rental needs in Dallas, Texas. Reliable, eco-friendly, and customer-focused, we're here to help you keep Dallas clean and thriving. Call us today and be a part of the cleaner, greener Dallas. American AF Dumpster Rentals, where Dallas's waste management meets innovation and care. Your project deserves the best. Call us now.